welcome to Tech Reviews. Excuse me. Welcome to Tech Reviews. Today we are looking at Windows.NET Data Center Server Build 3621. So this is Beta Edition. So today Beta Edition means to start how the OS evolved. And we'll look at a certain build from the past and see how it's evolved. So this is Windows Server 2003 Beta 3, I think it is. Anyway, so if I run the WinFer, as you can see, it is Windows.NET Data Center Server. Expires 30th of September 2002. This build is actually the 14th of September 2002. 14 days left of activation. Well, I'm actually going to sort that out. So the desktop is pretty plain. All you get is a recycle bin. That's the same in Windows Server 2003. So anyway, if I click Start, what you get Manage your server. Which is managing your server's roles. So you can add a domain. You can do. So let me show you what you can do. So you can add a role. So, you can do file servers, print servers, internet servers, web server, mail server, terminal server, remote a VPN server, a domain server, the domain controller, a DNS server, a DHCP server, and a real-time communication server, and a Win server. Well, I'm not going to... Actually, for this beta, we are going to make a domain. Because I've made a domain before, so all you're going to do is click Domain Controller, click Next. Click Next again, and click Next. Next. Yep, complete the configuration. Oh god. I haven't done this in a while. Okay, nah. There's no valid IP addresses, that's alright. That's because it's got no net. Keep going on the Windows Explorer. If I go home about Windows again, yep. No, excuse me, I just had some food. Don't mind me. And we've got command prompts, so we go WinVer, and all of that stuff. So as you can see, 3621 command prompt, you know what that is. It's on if you use it. This is Notepad. There we go. There, go to Documents, call it Note, and then it's going to File Explorer and Deleter, like so. Then fill out the recycle bin, it's empty the recycle bin, like so. Okay, then we go to all programs. We've got Activate Windows. If you haven't activated Windows already, which I don't think you can because this is a beta. This is in the beta process. Windows Catalog. Find products made for Windows. Windows Update. Accessories. You got all your accessories just like a Windows machine. So it's not really much to talk about here. Like you've got your volume control. I don't think there's anything else. There's hyper terminal. No. Oh yeah, hyper terminal is that. Not all sounds are vended by default. I have not done any. See? Alright, let's go to the bottom. I don't know. And then we've also got, as you can see, your recent apps open on the bottom left hand side of your start menu. On the left hand side. So you got Startup, which you got Internet Explorer. This is Internet Explorer 6 beta. Well, actually, I think this is the final version. It's just the. I think that's the final version. So that's for the one for Windows Server Edition. We've got Outlook Express, which is your emails, which is currently running Outlook Express 6, like so. My mum used to use Outlook Express on her XP machine, and also we've also got remote assistance. There you got my computer, which includes I've got the VMware disk at the moment because I didn't want to install VMware tools because they were changed to BIOS state, which it did in the modern machine, so that machine's dead. I'm going to delete it and create a new one. So we got the accessibility tools. Here do all your control panels. Let's look at the display. You got your themes. You got this Windows Classic. That's the only one you can get. Let's put the Bliss theme on and stretch it. Look, so that's how my XP machine's gonna look like when I review it. We've got Windows.net, so if I preview that, Windows.net data center server. And we've got Marquee and Blake, that's it. Up appearance, you've only got Windows Classic, but you can change it here. And you can change your font size, which I'm not going to change. Okay, this is the default monitor, or I've got set to 1080p, you can go up to 4K, and as low as 600 pixel. So let's click cancel. We've also got administrative tools such as manage your server. We've seen that. These are all your server stuff. I'm not going to click through everything, but we've got the local security policy. So like you can set some certain stuff to your domain computers, so such as your virtual machines or your now connected to the domain, which I do. I'll show you how that works in a Windows Server 2003 video I've got. That's for another video. It's not going to be happening today. I've already planned it. You see my iOS with my thing. So we got, and then we got your printers. So you got your help and support, search, run. We see run. As you can see on the title bar, it's got comments question mark. That's because this is a beta. Every Windows beta I think had it. I think Windows 7 betas even had it. But yeah, that's it for the server operating system. So that's a quick video just showing what you can do on it. I'll just show you a bit of the administrative tools. I'll show you the computer management. So yeah, we've got the disk manager, you've got the device manager. Yeah. So on and so forth. And to shut it down, it's a bit different to Windows XP. You just go start, shut down, you get the, actually I'll show you I'll restart it for you. So you get a shutdown event tracker. You can take that out. Oh, I forgot how to do that. I've done that in the Windows Server 2003. Let's go restarting, and then that's how you restart. So as you can see, you got the grey background for the login screen. I sound like a altered bitter. I just so yeah. Here we go, VMware, and there's the .NET Server family. This is the one that's in this build, and that actually didn't take that long to load. Can now load the grey screen, now so, and it's going to starting up. 1985 to 2001 Microsoft Corporation, and then it asks me to press Control and Delete to begin, so that's to do that. And then type your password, and bam, back on the screen. Welcome to configure your system. Let's quickly do that. Well, it won't work anyway, so let's click cancel. I'll deal with that in another video. But that is it for Microsoft Windows.net Data Server, otherwise known as Windows Server 2003 Beta. If you want to see more, if you want to see some certain build, it needs to work well. It needs to work on a virtual machine. I will not be putting this on a physical computer. I'll be only doing instant OS reviews on virtual machines. It has to work on a virtual machine, or how I have to emulate it somehow. I cannot use it on a. So you choose the other planned hardware maintenance, all that. Yeah, but yeah, it has to be on a virtual machine. It cannot be on another computer, because this is the computer I've got that can do everything. So okay, so that's an idea. So if you want to see a certain beta, so like say if you want to see I don't know, a beta version of another beta version of Windows, like beta version of Windows Vista, for example, let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. I am going to log off. Shut down, so I'm going to go end of video. Like so. There we go. So settings, we're going to shut it down. And we'll be back on the VMware main page. And there we go. So that's .NET Server Build 23621. Tune in next time when we look at Windows XP Home Edition, Service Pack 1. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.